This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants at home without egg and yeast. Start by mixing flour, cold butter, salt, sugar, and a leavening blend of baking powder plus baking soda. Keep ingredients cold and use a gentle folding technique to trap layers. Rest dough in the fridge between turns for at least 30 minutes each time. Bake until golden and crisp, then cool briefly before serving warm and flaky. Gather ingredients simply: strong flour, cold unsalted butter, milk, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Measure precisely and chill your butter and bowl before starting. Cut butter into even slabs so layers form consistently during lamination. Mix a shaggy dough with minimal water or milk, then chill to firm up. This keeps butter distinct from dough and helps create those classic flaky croissant sheets when baked. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make storing croissant batches and leftovers a breeze and keep butter smells out of the fridge, plus they seal tight for travel. I find them handy for prep and portioning dough or filled pastries. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work quickly to keep everything cold and prevent butter melting into the dough. Roll to around 3.5 millimeters, fold and rotate, repeating 3 to 4 times with 30-minute chills between turns. Shape croissants by cutting triangles and rolling tightly toward the tip. Chill formed croissants briefly, brush with milk for browning, then bake at 200 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes until deep golden and crisp. Cool slightly before enjoying flaky layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.